Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your CashApp account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your CashApp account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address cash.app and join enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of CashApp. So guys, this is the home page of CashApp. You can see now, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a login button available for us. Just click on that login button, and then it will be directed to the home page of your CashApp, where you can or you'll be able to use the mobile number of your account, or you can simply click on your email address, and over here enter your email address or your phone number with which you want to continue. But I'll be proceeding with my email address. So guys, after entering your email address, click on continue, and a confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Retrieve that confirmation code and enter it over here, and after that the continue button will be available for you if you have received that continue if you receive that code. But guys, don't share that confirmation code with anybody. So with that being said, after you have got the code, enter it over here and click on continue, and then log into your CashApp account online on your PC. And with that being said, guys, this is how you log into your CashApp account on the PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.